Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am at the shop and I got myself in a little bit of trouble for not having the appropriate shoes. I needed some steel toe shoes and I'm just wearing some Hey Dude. So this is what I got here, and so check out these. These are nice looking shiny shoes and they are supposed to be nice safety shoes with the protection. So we're gonna try these things on here. I'm also probably not supposed to be wearing shorts, but you know what? Oh well. So let's try these shoes out here. And these are great. They look like sneakers and stuff. And I wear like a size 8.5. I guess that's a 42 European size. So my feet are nice and small. But I'm gonna put this on and I'll show you guys what they look like here. Actually, it says steel toe shoes. And that is the brand in there. It says LIANGGO. So let's try this on here. And, oh, this fit good. Actually feels good. Feels just like a regular sneaker. Let me see if I can aim you guys down a little bit. So that's what it looks like there. So there's that. Let's try on this other one. I'll probably end up switching out these laces for self-tie laces because I'm way too lazy. I just like to put my feet in the shoe and be able to ready to go. So, but there we go. So this is what it looks like here. They look like nice shoes and black and good and comfortable and nice and protected, which is good to have. So you can just totally drop something on it. Oh, that's good. I don't feel a thing. Very good. So I'm gonna say, good to have some steel toe shoes, and these are great, and they're comfortable like sneakers. So I like it. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from me on these shoes for sure. Pick up these.